many pallets, you just build another one, so build some more. A waste of taxpayer.
You fucking cunt!
It's alright, they're only pallets, Reece. They're only a few pallets.
No.
Wasting thousands of pounds just to take the pallets down.
Half an hour to build. We'll have another one. Half an hour, we will have another one. And next time, I'll be on it. See if you can get me down.
This is aggravating trespass. Section 6.
Don't speak.
Keep bonfire.
Thousands of pounds on some pallets, that's so funny! You made me laugh!
We're coming back tomorrow to build another
Mummy,
one.
I'm dying and it's all your fault! That's horrible! You facilitated this, Daddy!
You pig!
Daddy!
Marquis
Why
pig!
did you facilitate
Marquis
Daddy?
pig!
When you're older and you're carrying a baby in your tummy, Daddy! Just think about what you've done! When you get breast cancer, or do you not because you don't care?
When you are.